Good afternoon. The weekend's here. It's a Friday late afternoon, early evening, and all kinds of things to talk about in the weather department. Let's start with the showers and thunderstorms. I'm showing you a regional map here. I'm going to put this in motion. Not only do you see the showers and the storms, but you also see a yellow-orange line that outlines this high-pressure area aloft. And I outline that for two reasons. Number one, to show you the center of the heat, and number two, to explain why the thunderstorms and showers are moving out of the east, or sort of the east-northeast, actually. And it's very easy to explain once you consider what the winds are doing. Let me stop the loop and go ahead and draw on this. So the upper level winds are actually coming out of this direction here in southern Missouri and northern Arkansas. And in fact, they circulate around this entire high. So they do this, they're stronger up here, and then they do this. And thunderstorms and showers that grow upwards in the atmosphere move as a total of all the winds, but the upper level winds have a lot of weight this time of year, and especially the mid-level winds, which is really what we're showing you here. So that's why these showers and storms are moving out of an unfamiliar direction. But if you're going to have showers and storms come out of the east or northeast, summer is when you're almost always going to see that particular activity. And of course, it is hot. We'll turn this off and show you the current temperatures on this map and show you some other views as well. But it's amazing out there. 100 degrees is what Springfield has quote-unquote cooled to, but the official thermometer did make it up to 102 today, so we're at 100 here, and records were broken in Springfield and in West Plains and at the Vichy-Rala airport and also in Joplin today, and it's been pretty amazing. You know, I went back and I calculated that over the last 12 days, Springfield's average high temperature has been 98.83, or rounded up 99 degrees. Our average temperature over the last 12 days has been 99 degrees. We've had a whole slew of 100s mixed in with that as well. Now, there's a cool down coming. Take a look here. While over the next couple of days we'll be in the upper 90s, possibly near 100 again tomorrow, that will change as a front slips through, and our highs will slip back down into the 80s. Maybe the mid-80s on some days, Tuesday for instance, maybe Monday, and then gradually go back up into the around 90 and a little higher, I think, toward the end of the week. Now, that's the cooler air. What about the records? Well, here's the list of the records. Either tied or broken June 25th, 27th, 28th, and 30th, July 1st, 4th, 5th, and 6th. So this is a third day in a row of record high temperatures for us. And it's the highest temperature so far that we have experienced at 102 degrees, shattering the record of 98 today. And that's not the official word on it yet. That's just the latest report out of the Springfield Weather Office. We could find another degree. Here's the drought monitor looking very bad, which is why that rain setting up there in the eastern Ozarks looks pretty good. Extreme drought in northern Missouri and parts of in northern Arkansas and parts of southern Missouri. Let me take a look at the radar loop here locally, and again you can see those storms are progressing quite nicely out of the east, and they're producing a little outflow boundary, one of a couple of those that are kind of webbed across the Ozarks today. And you see that quite often also in the summertime. So it looks pretty good. Rain chances look at least on the table. I don't know if everyone's going to get a fair shot, but I hope you get some rain. And the cool temperatures are coming in for everyone in the Ozarks to enjoy next week.